Happy last day of school.
Thank ya.
Okay.
Show the car.
Have a good day.
Show the car.
Look what these teenagers did to the car.
Fuck bitches get money.
Okay, bad words. Use your manners at school, girls. Have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love you too.
I love you, dear.
And there she goes, senior year. It's been a trip and a pleasure. Love you, honey girl.